Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Build Your Knowledge. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter of air. In this chapter I will discuss about the concept of air, composition of the atmosphere, structure of the atmosphere and the concepts of each layer of the atmosphere. So the first topic we have the concept of air. Our earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air called atmosphere. All living things on this earth depend on the atmosphere for their survival. It provides us the air we breathe and protect us from the harmful effect of the sun rays. Carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere and creates a greenhouse effect by trapping the heat radiated from the earth. It is therefore called a greenhouse gas. Atmosphere increases due to factory smoke and car flames. The heat retained increases the temperature of the earth. This is called global warming. Basically, all the living things need atmosphere for their survival. We are like human beings, animals and plants all need air to be survival. Atmosphere helps us to breathe and also protects us from harsh effect of sun rays. And also atmosphere release carbon dioxide which creates greenhouse effect and trapping the heat from the earth. This process is called greenhouse gas. Therefore several reasons for increasing temperature of the earth like factory smoke and car flames and so on. These things increases earth temperature day by day and then it's converted and become global warming. So the next topic, composition of the atmosphere. Nitrogen and oxygen are two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon and hydrogen are found in lesser quantities. Apart from these gases, tiny dust particles are also present in the air. So basically nitrogen comes at first on 78% in the composition cycle of atmosphere. It contains more quantity compared to other gases. After nitrogen, oxygen comes on 21% and then other gases comes. Then structure of the atmosphere. Our atmosphere is divided into 5 layers starting from the earth's surface. These are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Basically our atmosphere based on some layers which shows their specific qualities. These layers divided into 5 parts of atmosphere like troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere from bottom to top of the atmosphere. Then the subtopic we have concept of troposphere. This layer is the most important layer of the atmosphere. Its average height is 13 km. The air we breathe exists here. Almost all the weather phenomena like rainfall, fog and hailstorm occurs in this layer. Basically, troposphere shows some important features like air we breathe and weather conditions and phenomena converted here. Then the concept of stratosphere. Above the troposphere lies the stratosphere. It extends up to a height of 50 km. This layer is almost free from clouds and associated weather phenomenon, making conditions most ideal for flying aeroplanes. One important feature of a stratosphere is that it contains a layer of ozone gas. In this layer, key features of aeroplane flies here because of free from clouds, and second important feature is ozone layer contains here. Concept of mesosphere. This is the third layer of the atmosphere. It lies above the stratosphere. It extends up to the height of 80 km. Meteoroids burn up in this layer on entering from the space. Third layer of the atmosphere is mesosphere. One and only important feature is the mesosphere is meteoroids burn up in this layer. Concept of thermosphere. In thermosphere, temperature rises very rapidly with increasing height. Ionosphere is a part of this layer. It extends between 18 to 400 km. This layer helps in radio transmission. In fact, radio waves transmitted from the earth are reflected back to the earth by this layer. So the fourth layer is thermosphere, is also known as ionosphere. In this layer temperature rises rapidly and radio transmission available very well, which helps and transmitted radio waves to the earth. The last subtopic which we have concept of exosphere. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is known as exosphere. This layer has very thin layer. Light gases like helium and hydrogen float into the space from here. Basically the last layer of the atmosphere, which is exosphere, this is uppermost layer and has very thin layer. Helium, hydrogen are light gases which float very well. Thank you everyone. I hope you understand the concept of air. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Build Your Knowledge, and don't forget to press the bell icon.